Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best labor-saving arm jack. For your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs. Promotion: smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best labor-saving arm jack. For smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. When it comes to simplifying heavy lifting, a labor-saving arm jack is an essential tool for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Designed to reduce the physical effort required to lift and maneuver heavy objects, this innovative device offers numerous advantages. The arm jack operates by leveraging mechanical advantage, allowing users to lift loads with minimal physical strain. Its ergonomic design means that even a single person can handle tasks that would typically require multiple people. This efficiency not only saves time but also enhances safety by reducing the risk of injury associated with heavy lifting. Whether you're a mechanic lifting an engine, a contractor moving building materials, or simply handling large furniture at home, the arm jack is versatile enough to meet various needs. Many models come with adjustable features, accommodating different load sizes and weights, making them suitable for a range of applications. Most labor-saving arm jacks are constructed from high-quality materials, ensuring they can withstand rigorous use. Investing in a reliable arm jack means fewer worries about wear and tear, providing long-term value. If you're looking to enhance productivity and reduce the physical demands of lifting, a labor-saving arm jack is an invaluable addition to your toolkit. With its efficiency, versatility, and durability, it's a smart investment that pays off in the long run. Thanks for watching the video.